Good morning, Assalamu alaikum all. How are you? It's me here, your teacher Shazia. Today we are going to learn about how to write an application. What is mean by an application? Application means a little bit request. You are going to request to your boss, to your teacher, to your sir, a little request for the leave. We can say it is called application. So we need to know how to write an application. If you will know about the format of the application, you will be able to write any kind of the application, because in the format we will discuss the main thing and the main parts and the main words which we are going to write, going to learn, and I have written over here for you, because if you will know the pattern, the format, you will be able to write any type of the application. And the application means a little request. You want to request for the leave. You want to give it to your boss, or if you are working in the school, you are going to give it to your sir, ma'am, or the principal as well. If you are a student, you are going to submit it to your teacher as well. So come to the point, let us discuss. First, you need to write how to address your boss or sir or the teacher. You will write to. To, it means you are going to address your subordinate. And after writing the to, you need to put the comma over here. And now come to the person to whom you are writing the application, the principal or the director or the teacher name. And next, come to the next line, you need to write the school name. If you are going to submit your application in the school, you need to write the place name over here. I have written over here the school name. You will have to write the place name where you are going to submit your application. And come to the next line, you need to write the date. The date on that date which you are going to write an application to the concerned person. Okay, leave the next one line and come to the next line. You need to write the subject. Subject, it is the most important part of the application, because in which you are going to request for your purpose. Request for your purpose. If you are going to write an application, I am going to give you example. Like if you are going to give the request for your school leaving certificate, you want to take your original documents from the institute, you are going to submit your medical report as well, and you are going to journal leaves. This line is for use the purpose of the request for the purpose. This line is used for request for the purpose. The topic is main over here. You will write what the purpose is going on the behalf of you are going to write the application. Now come to the next line. You need to write the respected sir or the ma'am. You should know, you must know about who is the person and who is to whom you are writing the application. By completing this line, you put the full stop over here. Now come to the next line, respected sir or the ma'am. You need to put the comma over here. Punctuation marks we use in the application writing, in the letter writing, in English writing, as well as Urdu writing. Punctuation plays an important role. It shows what we are going to say, where we want to take the pause, where we want to complete the sentence. These things are shown. So come to the next line, respectfully. The word used by me over here, respectfully. Writing the madam or the sir, you need to put the comma. Come to the next line, respectfully. It is stated that the journal line over here I have written, आपने इसको as it हैं एप्लीकेशन. दिस इज अ जनरल फॉर्मेट फॉर एवरीवन फॉर राइटिंग द एवरी पर्पस. Irrespectively, it is stated that what you are going to say over here, what the purpose for which you are going to write the application. You need to write over here like I'm going to take the leave for the sake of my brother's marriage ceremony. I am sick and I cannot come to the school. You can write over here the purpose which through which you are going to inform your boss or the sir. So when you are concluding this line, you need to write one thing more over here. At the ending line, you need to write over here, I shall be very thankful. I shall be very thankful to you. For the act of kindness, for anything else you can add in this line. This is the ending line of your application where you are going to close your purpose. Now come to the next line. You are going to say over here yours obediently, yours faithfully, yours sincerely. You can write anything else, whatever you want over here. This thing is depends on the topic, on the main subject of the purpose. Where you are, to whom you are going to write. If you are going to write the school, you need to write the obediently. If you are going to write the application to your subordinate or the coordinate, you need to write your faithfully. And then come to the next line. Need to write over here the name and signature. You can write over here. If you are going to write this application to the school principal or the teacher or the director as well, you need to write over the class and as well date. Date can be mentioned in every application, and class is necessary for only if you are going to write the application to the school principal, teacher or director as well. So I hope you will be understand this lecture and you will be able to राइट एनी टाइप ऑफ द एप्लीकेशन. स्टार्ट कहाँ से लेना है, उसके बाद हमने स्कूल यानी कि यहाँ पर प्लेस नेम भी आता है, यहाँ पर प्लेस नेम भी आता है. प्लेस जो भी आप जिसको भी लिख रहे हैं यहाँ पर प्लेस नेम आ जाएगा. ठीक है. उसके बाद डेट बहुत जरूरी है. फिर आपका सब्जेक्ट जो आपका पर्पस है वो आप यहाँ पर राइट करेंगे. फिर जो आप जिसको आप एड्रेस कर रहे हैं वो पर्सन है यहाँ पर. उसके बाद आप यहाँ पर उसको मजीद बता रहे हैं कि मैं आपको मोदबाना गुजारिश है, जैसे हम उर्दू में बात करते हैं रिस्पेक्टफुली इट इज स्टेटेड दैट. ये जो जर्नल स्टेटमेंट है यू कैन राइट इन स्टार्ट एट द एनी एप्लीकेशन. ठीक है यहाँ तक. उसके बाद आई शैल बी वेरी थैंकफुल टू यू फॉर दिस एक्ट ऑफ काइंडनेस, फॉर योर फेवर, दिस एंड दैट. यू कैन राइट ओवर हियर. नाउ कम टू द नेक्स्ट. इसमें आपने क्या करना है कि आप बता रहे हैं कि अगर आप प्रिंसिपल को लिख रहे हैं, टीचर को लिख रहे हैं, यू नीड टू राइट ओवर योर्स ओबीडिएंटली. ठीक है. इफ यू आर गोइंग टू राइट योर एप्लीकेशन अबाउट योर सबऑर्डिनेट और एनीथिंग एल्स, you will have to write over here the sincerely, faithfully or obediently. Okay. Next, name and the signature. अगर ये आपकी क्लास वाइज है, स्कूल की एप्लीकेशन है, किसी बॉस को एप्लीकेशन दे रहे हैं तो उसमें आपने सिर्फ डेट लिखनी है. अगर स्कूल की एप्लीकेशन है तो आपके लिए कंपल्सरी है कि you must have to write the date and the class. Clear everyone? I hope you will be understand. It is very easy format for you that you can write any type of application by yourself. Thank you.